Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here. I'm here with a trade recap of how I managed to make $8,000 on Chfjpy trading live today. So watch this of the video to actually find out what made me take this particular trade and everything else. Alright, awesome. So let me just show you the breakdown of this particular trade before all this happened, right? So you can clearly see that this trade was actually shared with our private community right here. You can clearly see that this is what we had on the 30 minutes time frame. We had a clean drop based rally right here with a break of structure above right there, and you can see that this break of structure was caused by big momentum candles right here to the upside. Okay, so what was left behind was this drop based rally. Very nice. Okay, so what you do is you go to the lower time frame, find where the order block is, and once you found where the order block is, you wait for the price to come to your level. So price came to us in form of a compression. All right, this was a clean compression, and on the lower time frame you can clearly see that we had a bullish pin bar happening right here. So when we have a bullish pin bar in our rally based in our drop based rally demand zone, that is a very significant. That tells you that there's a higher chance of price going up. So when we saw that happening, I was able to share this particular trade with our private community right here. You can clearly see that this is a 12 pips stop loss and 190 pips target. So this was before. All right, later on NFP came and this is what happened. So you can clearly see that our first entry was right here. We entered right here and the market pushed to the upside, and then we saw the market retracing into our area, which was another opportunity to enter, and the market went to the upside just like that. And this was absolutely insane, and this is how we were able to catch about 160 pips out of 190 pips, which was absolutely insane. And this trade alone was a 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio, and this where we were able to make almost $8,000 in profit, and this was absolutely insane. This trade, we took this trade as well. So let me just show you. It was actually here. You can clearly see that the other profit was 5,500, and the other trade was actually accounting for $2,400, and this was absolutely insane, right? So this is how it was. It was an absolutely amazing trade which turned out amazing. Our same usual setups that I always show you guys, like the previous trade which was a loss, which I actually made the video about. So I wanted to come to you guys and show you this. All right, so remember the process is actually very simple. Find out where the market is going on the higher time frame. All right, so once you do that, you go to the lower time frame and find this drop based rally, and you can clearly see that this drop based rally was caused by this big momentum candle which pushed to the upside. And like I will tell you guys, whenever we see big momentum candles like that, we are not responsible. The people that are responsible for such moves are smart money guys. Okay, so whenever we find this, you just have to go to the lower time frame and find the footprint that these guys left behind, and it's usually very evident. Okay, so once you find the order block on the lower time frame, and once you do that, you wait for your confirmation right here. And once you wait for your confirmation, once you have your confirmation, enter that particular trade, predefine your risk and enter the trade. And also bearing in mind that anything can happen, no matter how perfect the setup is or may look, no matter how many confluences that particular setup may have, the outcome of that particular trade is always random. Always remember that. That's the reason why we always have to predefine our risks. So I had to exit this particular trade because this is our portion. We're just almost like 3 hours away from the market closing, and it's already tomorrow will be a weekend, so I don't like to hold trades like that. So This is how it is. So I hope you found value in this particular video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section. And if you'd like to trade exactly like I've shown you in this particular video, and just like other videos, the first link in the description gets you lifetime access to mentorship. So check it out. All right, it has about 30 videos of us explaining about our strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. So the first link in the description, that's where you find our M&F mastery course. You guys, until next time, goodbye and enjoy your weekend.